initial stage was very exciting because you have to go out and get the listings, you have to make the cold calls, you have to go and do the viewings. It was very exciting, but the first 3 months I didn't close anything. So it was very challenging. And my first deal that I closed was in Swasana Central, was a rental for 4,500. And commission basis was that it was such a way that end of the day I only took back 1,850 ringgit. When I took my first 1,850, the first thing I did was I called up Steffi that time and I bought my first platinum package. Balance money, she and I went for dinner. So yeah, I think that was my first deal. I was very excited. Then from there, with the advertising, I built up the iProperty packages. So from there, I think I closed many deals.
I came into real estate in the beginning to assist Jeremy because he was having too many cases and all that. So I assisted him for a few months. When I came in, I immediately opened with a bang. I think immediately I got a diamond package. Previous to that, I did about 3 months of farming. And then when I got my iProperty package, overnight I was an area specialist.
In fact, even every single deal I closed after that, right? Every bit went into investing into iProperty. Right? The reason why I did that was because I treated this like a business. Just like any business, you start up a chicken rice shop, you have to buy the chicken, you have to buy the equipment and everything. I invested 70-80% of whatever that came back into advertising because in real estate you have to invest, you have to advertise. That is the key. The response was excellent, was more than what we expected. If you see all my advertisements, my listings, every single of my listings has got 40 pictures, nothing less. My description is very detailed, right? And I always try to improve and upgrade the existing listings. So you have to put in the effort into the listing.
As a newbie, to have a diamond package without even making my first deal was a big thing. And I took about, I think, 4 months to do my first deal. And after that, the ball just started rolling. And I can safely say that 80% of my leads generated from iProperty that led to closing. So I solely depend on iProperty.
From the beginning when I joined real estate, right, I believe doing research, which was the best website, what are the hits. I talked to a few agents, I talked to a few people in the real estate industry. So facts are facts. iProperty is the most popular website for buyers and tenants. In Asia itself, if anybody is going to buy a property in Malaysia, they go into iProperty.
I did have a package with another competitor of yours, but I didn't see much of a response until I just let it go and I didn't renew. So for me, I don't depend on any other source of advertising other than iProperty.